it's Nikea here with my second video while in quarantine. But thank you so much for clicking on this video. But before we get into this, if you haven't already, just take one quick second, go down below and click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. We're all stuck in the house. Might as well anyway. Alright, so this is my first like quarantine centered video. Well, we're not on quarantine. We are staying at home, social distancing. We are not on official quarantine or anything. Nobody around me is sick, but you know, I have been practicing social distancing, been staying in the house. So as we all know, some of our states are not afforded some of the beauty luxuries that we're usually afforded. Nail salons are closed, hair salons are closed, people can't get manis, pedis, waxes, eyebrows growing out, all that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to have and share with you all a list of essentials that you will need to take care of your natural hair while in quarantine. So this is for anyone who is transitioning, who already has natural hair, somebody who gets relaxers and you can't go to the salon, so you got that new growth and you need to take care of your hair until you can actually get to your stylist. I think these things will help you. And not just in quarantine, just anytime, but specifically for this time where you can't get to the salon, you may not know what to do with your natural hair, you need some help and advice, you need some advice, I'm here to give that to you. So these are just my list of natural hair quarantine essentials. During this time, I don't know what season it is. It's spring, but this weather is crazy. It's hot, it's cold, it's hot, it's cold, whatever. But no matter the season, I think that it's most important that your hair stay moisturized. So of course, something that you need is a good shampoo that is going to cleanse your hair. But I also like shampoos that moisturize my hair. Just depending on your hair needs, you may need different types of shampoos, but that is number one. You need a moisturizing shampoo. So some examples of some that I have are the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger collection. They just added this to the collection, this shampoo. It is so thick, but it is moisturizing. Also their pomegranate and honey shampoo. This shampoo is not only moisturizing, but it also detangles. Love this stuff. Love this stuff right here. Then I also have Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo with their raw shea butter. This is a good one. So definitely want to keep moisture in your hair. Remember, just look at the ingredients and see what's in there. Another shampoo that I like, it's moisturizing, is the Curls Poppin' Pineapple So Clean shampoo, moisturizing as well. Secondly, you want to have a conditioner because again, you want to keep moisture in your hair. It doesn't necessarily have to deep condition, or it doesn't have to say deep conditioner, because I think it's all about how long you leave it on your hair if you are conditioning. But this moisturizing conditioner from the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection. Then I have also the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Overnight Conditioner. This is a good one. So, you know, I'm saying, all about moisture. Even though you're in the house, you want to keep your hair moisturized, because during this time we can get lazy. Trust me, I've been there. That's why I have braids, okay? So, although my hair isn't a protective style, I'm still taking care of it. I'm still keeping it healthy, keeping it moisturized. I just knew that I didn't want to take the time and like comb it out. And since I know how to do braids, I was like, let me do that. But some people don't know how to do this. So we got to take care of our hair. And then once I eventually take these down, I still have to take care of my natural hair. So those are just some examples of shampoos and conditioners. You still want to make sure that you're washing your hair, sis. You still want to make sure that you're conditioning. Don't go on a quarantine non-washing your hair strike. Still wash your hair at least once a week or every other week. Next is a leave-in. Leave-ins, I just really got into leave-ins this year. But again, Mielle Organics, Pomegranate and Honey, and the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger collection. These leave-in conditioners are bomb. And also the leave-in conditioner So Clean from that same collection. Good conditioner. I like thick conditioners or leave-ins, like to really coat my hair and my hair can really absorb the product. All right, what you're also gonna need is like a styler, so like a butter or a cream or a souffle, whatever you want to use to style your hair, because I really think during this time you want to have simple styles. You're probably not going to wear them out unless, you know, sometimes every now and again you just want to feel a little zhuzhed up. But you know, the styles I would suggest is like maybe like a braid out, a twist out, flat twist out, wash and goes, and then you can always transition those into puffs and updos and different styles like that. Even though you're in the house, you still want to maybe feel like something, or if you just want to keep it in a twist, in 2-strand twist or whatever until you wash it the next day. But a good styler is I guess I like Mael, huh? Is the Mael Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. This is the only styler that I really use if I do style my hair. Most of the time I just moisturize my hair and style it, but this gives really good definition and it's moisturizing as well. So it gives your hair another layer of moisture and something to define your curls. And I've also used the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've used that, yes, which I've run out of, so can't show y'all that. Alright, so you'll also need a gel, like if you want to do like high puffs or you want to like slick down your edges and stuff like that. And gel also adds definition to your curls, like to your 2-strand twist or to your braid outs. A little bit of gel will help have some hold and definition, and also for your wash and goes. So I have the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. So just get the whole Hawaiian Ginger collection. Like this styling gel is not something that's going to like really I wouldn't use this for puffs. I haven't tried it, but it's good for styles, or of course your Eco Styler gel. I also use the Dews, what is that? Bonita Afro Balm. That is good. It's a pomade and it's good to, I know I just have braids, but it's good to like slick up your hair. And it gives nice hold without the gel, and it won't build up, and it's water soluble, so it's good to use like in between wash days and stuff like that. Another thing I've been using is grease. This is Blue Magic Super Grow. I think it has coconut oil in it. Yeah, shea butter, jojoba oil, and jasmine green tea leaves. I've been using this on my hair, especially when I braid it up to keep it moisturized. I know it's kind of faux pas in the natural hair community, but I use hair grease, okay? I mostly use it on my hair. I haven't used it on my scalp as much. All right, and you're also gonna need some oil, okay, because you want to keep your hair moisturized and your scalp. So this is the Mael Organics Rosemary Mint Hair and Scalp Strengthening Oil. I have my homemade oil blend that has olive oil, jojoba, vitamin E, avocado, almond, castor, and black castor oil in here. Then I also have the So Fresh Scalp Treatment from Curls. And I like those two because they have the mint in them, and that helps with like stimulating the blood flow in your scalp, and you can just like feel it working. So keep your hair nice and strengthened and strong and moisturized. So again, moisture is a big thing when it comes to your hair and keeping it healthy, even if you have to do it yourself and you have to stay in the house. So you want to find a way that layer up your products, keep it healthy. So you can use the lock method, which is Leavein or liquid oil cream, or you can use the LCO method, which is leave-in cream and oil. You just have to test it out and see what works best for your hair. For my hair, I like using the liquid oil cream. Okay, so my hair is between normal and high porosity, which means I can get the moisture in there, but it's sometimes difficult to retain it. So what I have to do is use that LOC method to help lock that moisture inside my hair. So that's why I use the leave-in oil cream or liquid oil cream, which is, you know, water is always the first step in moisturizing your hair, and then you just want to lock that moisture in there. So speaking of water, keep a spray bottle on hand. You want to have this when you're doing your twist outs or your wash and goes. Keep your hair moisturized. Even if you have a protective style, especially like braids, you still want to keep your hair moisturized within these braids. I have videos on that. Go check those out. Yes, I do think it's a good idea to get a protective style if you can do it yourself. If you can do a wig, or you can do some crochet braids, some cornrows, box braids, knotless braids, something, especially if you don't feel like doing your hair. But definitely keep a spray bottle on deck because you can use that in a multitude of styles. Also, you want to have some clips. I like these Alligator Clips. I got these from Walmart. I always have to buy some like every year because they always break, but this is good for sectioning your hair when you're washing it, detangling it, conditioning it, styling it, whatever. It's good to keep, you know, hair out of the way. Some other hair styling tools. I have my Felicia Leatherwood Detangler Brush. Also a wide tooth comb is good. I have one from QE. Can't find it right now, but mostly I will use my Felicia Leatherwood brush. Also rat tail comb. I like the one with the metal tails to get precise parts. Wow, I just pulled the tail out. And I like it because this is not as fat as with like a plastic comb, so I like using that. Also, I mentioned high puffs, so definitely like these headbands, I like to stretch them out and then I'll put them on twice. That'll hold my bun up. Also, if you have a protective style like braids, you can style it up. Ribbon ties to not have a lot of tension on your hair. And I also have these extra large hair ties for thick hair. So if your natural hair is thick, or if you have braids, you need to hold up a lot of hair. And also these satin hair ties are good to maintain your styles at night, and if you want to keep them stretched so they don't get flat and it doesn't put huge dents in your hair. So plethora of hair ties here. Bobby pins. I have bobby pins and I have hairpins. So the open ones, I have large ones, but you can use these to pin up your styles. You can use it to push your hair back and create different styles with bobby pins. And like I was going to say, speaking of sleeping, gotta have a satin bonnet or a satin scarf or a satin pillowcase to take care of your hair. Some people are currently probably living in these since we are staying in the house. But this is just a huge big bonnet that I got from the beauty supply store, I think, or Walmart. Especially if you have like big hair or you have some rollers in your head when you go to sleep. And then I also have a satin scarf. This will help to like lay down your edges if that's your thing, or even just to tie your hair up and sleep with at night, because you still want to protect your hair. Don't want to get lazy, okay? All right, so that's it for my essentials list. Again, you don't have to use the exact products that I have, just a general sense. You just want to keep your hair moisturized and protected, and you want to take care of your hair even in this time where we have to stay at home and we all can't go to professionals and we're all learning our hair once again. And we don't want to get lazy because we still want to come out of this strong and with our edges, okay? Edges intact all 2020, because we will come out of this, we will be better for it, and we will be stronger as individuals and as a collective. All right, so I hope this all helped you out. I will have carded some videos that you can click on related to like different hairstyles that you can do while you're in the house. And this is a good time to practice because people aren't going out of the house and nobody's really gonna see you unless you post it on social media or you have to go to work. But this is a good time to practice hairstyles. Like if you want to practice a rod set, flexi rods, twist styles, if you want to get better at things, this is a perfect time to practice. All right, just make sure you're still taking care of your hair. And I also want to say thank you and shout out to all the people that are out there on the front line during this time where we're social distancing but people still have to go to work. Thank you to all the doctors, the nurses, the custodians, the people who pick up the garbage and the recycle, all the people at the grocery stores, at the liquor store. Thank you to every single person who still has to go to work and who is going to work so that we can stay home and we can stay healthy as we go through this unprecedented time in the world. So I hope this video has helped you all out. I hope you all are doing well in quarantine or social distancing. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you're doing, how you're feeling, what you're going through. Let's start a conversation and to keep each other uplifted and positive. But thank you so much for watching. And before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties. Stay home, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Guess what, mother?
Wow.
Kia.
Yes.
Don't wow me.
Okay.